24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 3 of the chapter 6 of Science grade 4, which covers the topic simple machines. The video will cover what are simple machines, structure and uses of lever, pulley, gear and ramp. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Welcome the students to class and greet them with a smile. Say Assalamu alaikum and ask them, how are you? Tell them that they'll be learning about machines and write the words simple machines on the board. Ask the students, what comes to your mind by the word machines? Can you give some examples of the machines you have seen or used? Most students will describe machines as something lofty with a lot of moving parts that covers a lot of space. This is how a common concept of machine is like. Explain to the students that contrary to the common understanding, a machine can be as simple a thing as a single plank. It is anything that makes our work easy. Ask the students to think about a wheel. Tell them to name different things around us that use a wheel and discuss how impossible it is to imagine our everyday lives without a wheel today. A wheel is a simple machine because it makes our work and movement easier. Tell the students that they'll be learning about 4 kinds of simple machines. Arrange a sample of all the 4 simple machines to display in the classroom for a better understanding. Make 4 columns on the board and label 1 as lever, 2nd as pulley, 3rd as gear, and the last as ramp. Start with the lever and hold it high to show it to all the students. Show its parts and make a diagram in the respective column on the board. Tell the students to look at the diagram on their textbooks and help you label the lever diagram. Saying it aloud will help them remember the components better. Explain the working of lever with the examples mentioned in textbook and from the surroundings. Next, explain the pulley and hold it high to show it to all the students. If a pulley cannot be arranged, display a flashcard of the pulley. Show its parts and make a diagram in the respective column on the board. Label the diagram with the help of students. Explain the working and uses of pulley with different examples. Next, explain gears and ramp with the help of samples you have arranged. Draw their labeled diagrams on the board and explain their use. Ask the students to think of ways that gears and pulleys are used in things around us. As a recall activity, call volunteers to tell what each of the 4 simple machines they learnt about help us do and how they make our work easier. If you have time, seek more volunteers to tell examples of each. For homework, you can ask the students to write the appropriate machines needed to make the following tasks easier. Loading a truck, hoisting a flag, a manual clock, pulling up water from a well, a seesaw mechanism, taking a wheelchair a few steps high. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.